Alright, welcome back, guys. Obviously I'm already out here fishing, and yeah, it's really windy. Frozen hands, I'm actually sitting sitting on the ice because moving around is spooking the fish. I don't know, if you guys are new here, I have my live scope out here. Right now I am sitting in 10 to 11 feet of water with a bunch of weeds around, and these fish are just kind of cruising around. And yeah, hopefully I get some bigger ones. I'm gonna have this as my intro, but you guys will see it. I got a couple of good ones, so stay tuned for those, and keep your fingers crossed I get some monsters today. Gotta find the weeds. Look at that. Wonder if there's any big ones around. Here comes a bluegill or something. What'd I say? There are some much larger fish down there, though. Here comes another one off the bottom. Oh, these guys are flying in. Probably more bluegill. Yep. A lot of decent bluegill right now. These guys get bigger too. That's a good bite. So they are down there. It's been a while since I had a bite, guys. Hopefully you can hear me. It's really windy out here today. It's one of those days where I had to make a decision if I wanted to catch fish or not. Hopefully you guys are enjoying it. Thumbs up for pumpkin seeds and jumbo bluegills. See what else we can get. Okay, in light of the bluegill eating the little bait, I'm going to throw this little tiny spoon down on my bullwhip. This is my custom bullwhip that I have built, the Big Bluegill Addiction. If you guys can guess what I'm chasing. They're not big bluegills, but they are in the bluegill family. That looks like a big one. bluegill. There's 3 or 4 of these guys down there. I almost want to keep them for dinner, but I'm going to let this guy go. Another little bluegill. I mean, these are eaters, but I'm looking for monsters. Comes something bigger. Here comes one. I think that's a crappie. Oh, another one of those guys. Where are your giant friends? Got fish all over me down there. That's why, because they're bluegills. I had like 5 of these guys on it. I don't know if that was the big one though. Here comes a couple other big ones. Better size anyways. See if one of these big guys comes up here. Seem to be just cruising through the weeds. I don't know what this one is, but it doesn't feel big. It's actually like an 8.5, 9-inch bluegill. I haven't seen these guys out here in a long time. This dude has actually been released before. Kind of impressed with that. Good one. Good one. Man, guys, look at the colors on this fish. There's a school of these down there, but you guys gotta see these if he holds still long enough. Come on, play nice. You look so cool. Those fins. There's about a dozen of them down there right now. They're all about this size. It's 11 o'clock. Okay, buddy. Probably gonna be the last one I let go. Another big one on there. Multiple good sized fish down there right now. I don't know if you guys can see them. I really wish I had the active captain set up on this thing. I just couldn't figure it out. Little guy. That guy was in the bottom. I didn't even know I was by him. And I might have to keep a dozen of these guys today. It's been a while since I've had fresh gills and pumpkin seeds. I do eat fish, people. Okay, I'm gonna switch it back to the spoon. I keep seeing these big fish come through. I think they're crappies, but I'm not sure. I just want a chance at them. They might be bass. But even bass are fun. These guys are aggressive, whatever they are. There's a couple of them. Oh, that's why. There's a whole school of these down there right now. They're so aggressive when they come in. That one's probably a 9. They get bigger. Here comes one of those big guys. A whole school of them. Let's see if one of them eats. Got one. And that's the right species. I don't know what it is about this glow frosty spoon, but it works. I'll link it in the description for you guys if you want to try it. There's definitely bigger ones down there. Oh, there's a big one. Big gill. Well, long gill. Not what I was expecting. Switch it over to tungsten. They're getting finicky on me. A nice big bottom dweller. So a tip I'll give you guys, if you ever fish this area, if you know where I'm at, the bottom fish tend to be the bigger ones. If I wanted to keep a bucket of gills today, this would be the day to do it. There's something decent. Be a good eater. Okay, that's one. I keep 5 to 10 of these guys. Plenty of them around, it seems. Got one. Feels like a good one too. glove for an eater crappie. Hope you guys are happy. That sucked. Oh, there's a bigger one. Whole school of them again. It feels better. Another eater. God, this wind is driving me insane. I don't think that's a bluegill. This thing ripped drag as soon as I set the hook on him. That's not a bluegill. It's funny how light these guys bite in the wintertime. 13-inch bass. Camera just died right when I caught this guy. Nice big one. Fun fact, from right there to the first one is 8 inches. So he's about 8.5, maybe 9, but that's the last eater for today. I was dumb and I forgot to bring my camera, batteries and everything extra with me, so yeah. Alright guys, last thing I think you guys probably seen was either the bass or me setting the hook. I think it was me setting the hook. My battery died and I forgot to bring all my extra stuff with me. I brought the Squealer 2.0. I think we're gonna call it either Clifford or Big Red. Kind of like the Red Baron. I don't know. I'm still trying to make up the mind. Comment below, and then whoever likes gets the most likes, we'll just call it that. I'm thinking Red Baron sounds pretty cool, but it's up to you guys, so name it and let me know. But yeah, I got myself a meal. I think I got 5 or 6 of them, and yeah, got a couple bass. Was pretty slow today, even though there was a front coming in, but hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you're new here, remember to subscribe. If you're not new here, remember to give a thumbs up. See you guys next time.